Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to the Temu week. Yes, the Temu week is live and you can benefit from it. All you need to do is just to key into it and enjoy all the discounts that are available. So if you're yet to do that, don't worry, I'll show you what to do, okay? Just do everything I show you in this video. Now, log into your Temu app and just click on the Temu Week icon right here. You can see it here at the top. Just click on Temu Week, and here you have the deals and selection area. Click on the deals because that's where you're going to see the discounted items available. Now you click on the deals. Every item that has super deal attached to it, just know that a discount has already been applied, okay? Now just, scroll through and look for whatever it is you want to buy, like whatever it is you're interested in. Anything at all you want, you would find it. I'm going to give you tips on how you can get those items you actually want being suggested to you on this page. Now, before you even do all this, if there are specific items you want suggested to you in this super deal section or in the Temu Week section, go ahead to add those items to your cart. Just search the item on the Temu app for a few minutes and, log out of the app and come in again. Then when you come in for the second time, you click on the Temu Week, and I can assure you, you will see those items being suggested to you here in this super deal or Temu Week section, okay? That's just the trick. That's the trick I use on the Temu app. Whenever it is I want to get into whatever promo or deal discount that is going on, that's the trick I use to get exactly the products I want or the items I want being suggested to me. Another trick I use is this to get more discounts. Yes, of course, there are so many ways you can get more discounts on the Temu app. Now, the second trick is this by using a discount code, okay? Now, in the Temu app search bar, search this code ACY 077290 and click on search. All right. Now, you can see all the items here. It says Temu Incredible Finds. All the items here are discounted already, of high quality, and you're going to see so many reviews. You would notice that most of the items here, have high number of sales, which gives you room to read reviews. When shopping on the Temu app, you need items that has been sold a lot of times so that you can read the reviews on these items, then decide if it's truly the item you want to go for or not. Reviews on the Temu app is very, very important. I always tell us that. So before you buy anything on the Temu app, please go through your description and your reviews to be sure that everything is okay before you go on to hit add to cart, okay? I hope you've learned one or two things from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you've watched to this point, thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.